Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Subjects Computer Network and Data Communication. Subject code 22634. Practical number 13. The aim of the practical is configure or test the internet connectivity. So practical significance is the term internet access is the ability of individual and organizations to connect the internet using the computer terminals, computers and other devices, and to access the services such as email and the World Wide Web. Internet access is supplied by the internet service providers that providing the connectivity to wide range of the data transfer rates via various networking technology. It is used by the many organizations also provide the cost-free wireless access. So the internet plays the vital role in ensuring the people stay in contact with each other. So it improved the access to internet services such as the faster World Wide Web browsing, faster downloading of documents, photographs, videos, and other large files. It also provided telephony, radio, television, and video conferencing. Then the virtual private networks and the remote system administration are given from the internet services. So internet service also provide the online gaming, especially massively multiplayer online role-playing games which are interaction intensive. So student will able to configure and test the internet connection. The relevant program outcomes are discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, individual and teamwork, and lifelong learning. The competency and the practical skill will be developed in student. It helps your student to identify the various competency in the teaching learning experience. You able to configure and access the internet. You able to rectify the basic problems in internet access. So relevant course outcome is use the relevant network model for the specified data communication system and configure the network component and assign the IP address. So relative affected domain related to the outcomes are handle the equipment carefully, follow the safety practice, follow the ethical practice and demonstrate the working as a team member. There are to connect the internet following four things are required. That is a computer or a laptop. Second is a modem or telephone line, a data line for the some sort. Then the internet browser and the software to connect you to the ISP. Then you have account with an internet service provider. So following are the some must terms the internet user accessing the internet ISP. That is a domain name, communication port, modem speed, modem, phone number, username or a login name, user password, domain name service, and the interface type. So there are the different types of the internet connection, that is dial-up, and digital subscriber line, a cable net, satellite, cellular phone, wireless, Wi-Fi, etc. So now we will see how to test the internet connectivity. So now we have to go to the command prompt. So we use a Windows and R key. We press the Windows and R key, type the CMD and OK. So here the command prompt is open. So if we are using the ping command, the ping command is used for the to connect the another IP address. So here we use the ping command to connect our PC with the another IP address. So for that we know the IP address of the another PC. If we don't know the IP address, then we can write the name of the host or the name of the server. So now we have to use ping command with IP address. If we want to ping with the google.com, but we don't know the IP address of the google.com, so that time we will give the server name, that is www.google.com. So when we ping the www.google.com, our laptop or our PC is connected with the google.com. But when the replies are coming from the google.com, that time we will say our PC and google.com is connected with each other. So here I get the replies from the google.com. So here are the four packets are sent from the google.com, and the packets are sent are 4 and received by packets are 4. That means there is a no loss of the packets. When if the server gives sending the reply, that means the server, Google server and our PC is connected with each other. So the IP address of the google.com is written over here, that is 142.250.183.4. After the pinging, if we have to check the availability options for the ping. So we will write ping space hash question mark. So here are the number of options which are available in ping command. So is a -t. -t is specified the host until the stop to see the to connect the IP address. -a is resolve the address to the host name. -n count is a number of echo requests to send. -l is sends the buffer size. -f is set don't fragment flag in the packet. -I is used for the TTL, that is time to live. -OTOS is type of the service, that is this setting has been deprecated, has no effect on the type of service field on the IP header. -R is record the route for the count hops. -S is a timestamps for the count hops. -J is a loose source route along the host list. -K is a strict source route along the list. -W is timeout is a milliseconds to wait for the each reply. -R is for the routing header. SRCADDR, that is source address. Then the -C is for the routing compartment. -P for the ping hyper network virtualization. -4 for the force using IPv4, and -6 for the using IPv6. So these are the options available for the pinging with a device. So first we will ping with the google.com. Now we have to ping with a yahoo.com, that is www.yahoo.com. If you get the reply from the Yahoo, that means we are connected with the Yahoo server. So here we get the replies from the Yahoo server. The 4 packet requests are sent to the Yahoo server and they are received their reply from their servers. So Yahoo server IP address is 202.165.107.50. So here we check the connectivity of the internet. If we got the reply from the server, that means we are connected with that server. Thank you. Here the practical number 13 is completed.